Hello, I'm Nicolas Bouffard, and I'm the author of the book A Shelter for Flavia. In this book, we highlight decision making during difficult moments. Our heroine must find a place to spend the winter and seek advice from her friends. She weighed the pros and the cons on the suggestions made to her and ultimately find the solutions that take into account her limitations and qualities. It's a story aimed at a broad primary age audience, as the young reader's companion can help them reflect on different elements of the text. The endearing character will appeal to younger readers. The information about various animals and Flavia's intellectual processes will engage those aged 8 to 12 years old. I wish you an enjoyable reading experience filled with enriching discussions. Thank you.
A Shelter for Flavia is the first book for children by author Nicolas Bouffard and illustrator Bernadette Lemire. It's an interesting story about the habitats of different animals and their way of life. It also provides an opportunity to discuss themes that are important for personal development. When you purchase this book, you receive a companion booklet. Parents can use it to talk to their children about the themes of the story. For example, how can they analyze and communicate their needs, how to explore the environment, or how to cooperate with others? There's also a section for teachers, where they can access writing and speaking exercise, as well as arts and science activity. For that, we also provide evaluation grids. With this booklet, we offer you many fun, detailed, and practical tools to help you, as a parent or a teacher, to help young children learning on the themes covered by the story. We hope you enjoy reading the booklet and wish you success guiding your children in their personal development.